phone number man. He just put his phone number. That's it. He said he had it for 9 years, man. He said making that his Twitch name. He said making that his Twitch name is awesome. Oh yeah, dude. Sometimes I smoke weed and I try to speculate like a babushka. On here. He see, yeah, he live now. He see you on here. We got function. Oh yeah, I forgot y'all. Every hour my stream it mess up. Hey man, your stream be messing up every hour.
Bro, for some reason the last few times it's been messing up, yeah.
Yeah, mine mess up every hour, man.
Out here and at XRP too.
Yeah, so I forgot to tell y'all that sometimes, Lord, really every hour, man, they give a little buffer. Just stay right there, it'll come right back. Where y'all at, man? No paint or red? 660 performance. Man, no light. He ain't got no lights either. He's saving weight. Oh shit, and he got nitrous over here, man. Y'all want this side? Oh shit, he got a good 60 foot over there, y'all. Ah, everybody bet with the red. Function. Oh, everybody said the red truck. How much? Me and you betting? I'm betting with the other side. Alright. Oh, damn. I want the red truck. Shit. Oh, okay. He like the red one, y'all. Uh-oh, I got...
Yeah, he been spraying the whole time.
Nicodemus say no paint. He going with no paint. Let me see. Oh. Hold him, no paint. Hold him. Oh. Right side for the win, y'all. Dang. No paint couldn't hold him off, man. Dang, no paint couldn't hold him. Oh, Big T 468. Appreciate the 100 bits, man. That's what I'm talking about. Make me get excited over here. Team Thundercock, man. He done turned this thing up since I beat him with my Capri. Okay. He'll sound good and leave pretty aggressive not to be a Hellcat. Look out, what's up with it, man? She ain't in here today. Usually my partner wife be in here watching the stream. She ain't watching today. Look out, y'all. What's up with it? Nothing much. Y'all saying he gonna make a full pass or what? Full pass or nah, man? Tell me something. He made a full pass. That must sound good, man. Can I still join Team Thundercock with the micro penis? Just cause it's micro don't mean it ain't got the thunder though. No, I'll just mess with it. Okay. Jeremy, appreciate the follow, Jeremy, man. You alright, man. You alright, Jeremy. What's up with it, Function? Pro Stock. Function, where you from, man? Tell me something good, man. Be far away from me, I hope. I'm looking for where Function from. And Pro Stock, you too. Where you from, Pro Stock? Twisted Soul, where you from too, man? That's a good question. He one of my biggest supporters, man. He be helping and shit. Oh, this a girl race. Ooh, run her down, run her down, run it down. Ooh, it looked like it was running it. I think it did. They got off of it on. Slow it down now, honey. Pro Stock from Maryland, okay. I know somebody from Maryland. If it's micro because you wore it down like an old drill bit, we'll consider your application. Oh man, that's a good one. That's what my boy is. Oh yeah, I remember Twisted Soul did tell me from PA. I still can't. Was that, man, you had confused me last time you said that. I thought it stands for Philadelphia. What Hey, what state PA stand for? Pennsylvania. Oh, Pennsylvania. Damn. Oh. That truck running. Damn, that truck running. He said it's Pittsburgh. Is it? Where is Pittsburgh a state?
It's in Pennsylvania.
Oh, Pittsburgh and Pennsylvania.
Pittsburgh's in Pennsylvania.
Pittsburgh and Pennsylvania.
Dallas, Texas. I like Dallas is in Texas.
Yeah, Dallas is in Texas and Pittsburgh and Pennsylvania. Okay, I got it now. Oh, see, yeah, man, you been having me confused, man. Yeah, he live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Y'all been there? You been there before? Me neither, man. I wonder if it's special down there. What it smell like?
What it smell like?
Y'all got tacos down there? Oh, we got King Drift Monkey in here. Man, what he said I supposed to do, they been telling me I supposed to get on my Twitch and type in something. Mod or something. What y'all was telling me?
Who else gotta go for?
Damn, I just noticed you could change the name of the live while live.